Asa na sila napita.
Uniqlo. By the way, namin sa place kung asa napita inyong location na.
Putik daw wala na kay. Wala kami balay ka.
Okay. Basta nag-vlog me diri.
Naglo na mi ganina.
Nag-vlog me diri boy.
This is still the same floor as where you left.
RACKS.
Go to the roasters.
Okay.
Frame grill, falls of the bony, pasta. And here we got racks. Uy, di pa pwede masud.
Oh wait.
Wait.
Let's hide. Let's see if they can find. Nanonood sila sa Matsunoya daw.
Matsunoya.
Bus.
Agala ka babot?
Dato pa.
Kana mo picture, ana? Asa? SM Store. Lapit daw sa SM Store.
Kay bago asa sila.
Kailangan mo clue? Clue daw.
Tapit sa SM store.
Wait lang. Unsan clue?
Tapit sa SM store sila.
Dapit sa SM Store. Boy, dapit sa SM Store, boy. Dapit sa mi sa SM Store. But ang pumunta na is wait. SM Store, really. Atbang mi sa SM Store.
Bro, I can never be a cameraman if malikot yung tao dito.
Okay.
Asa sila?
Para sila sa dito na nila.
So we have the here natago sila. Kita sila nato. Kita nato.
So they basically found us and they don't know where are we.
Nisaka ba dyan
No,
sila?
they don't know where we are. Nisaka pa sila and I don't know how did they probably ran. Kita sila na to, boy.
I don't know. Bros taking their time. They're taking our time. They're taking their time. Kasi naaraman diri. Dapat ito kanina. Dito rata.
Nilakaw nito.
Bang di taas. Nari dito rin. Tagal. They're the Kupaws. Woo! Friend reunion be like. Reunion.
Fun sa game, boy. Congratulations, you have found the place. What took you so long? Higit kami. Ha? Higit kami.
Going away because we're the seekers now. We're the seekers. We'll show these noobs how it's done.
Yeah, because we are expert in this place already.
Ano na ka sila? Sorry. Call them. So the location is the curry,
Hinode Curry.
which we talked about kanina. I don't think it's
Underestimate.
Dil
in the search of our hiding place. Pagkaon diyo.
Kusina, Guadalupe ba? Ano mo?
Ari tagi. Tagi.
I know the place.
One more ano. Before this restaurant. Yeah.
Perfect timing. Now let's skip it.
That's out like. Huwag mong bigyan ng notes.
Na, babait ka. Nabibait ka. Nababa? Ha? Nababait. Nababait.
Ah, nagbe-bait.
Nabibait.
Bait ba bait?
Doll is 4 minutes na. Clue daw.
Clue daw.
Clue daw. Hello boy.
Ashmir's calling.
Hello, minising oh. Hello, minising. Gusto mo lang mag-call para marinig mo saan kami. Okay.
Mag-chat lang ako sa uklo sa pandi ka na nice.